Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to create some mockups at Canva. I'm going to show you how you can create them, for example for your t-shirt, or you want to surprise someone with customized mug and you really need to create your own graphics for the mug. So first things first, what we have to do is log in into Canva, which is a really nice editor, which is really nice app or website for really creating everything creative. So t-shirts, as you can see, flyers, newsletter, cards. You can go with really tons of options, but we want to create a mockup. So first things first, we have to create an account here. It's completely for free, so you don't have to worry too much about it. Then we can either create a design on top right corner and click here, and we can go, for example, with t-shirt, or you can just use this search window straight away, write down t-shirt and click on t-shirt. For example, those are 14 times 18 inches, which is pretty standardized, and from here we can pick our own design. Some of them, as you can see, there is a little golden crown. That means they are available for you only if you subscribe to Canva, or this this little button with euro sign next to it. That means you have to pay for it. It's a single purchase, so you don't have to subscribe for the whole package or the whole Canva subscription. Right now, though, we have a couple of other options and other templates that we can use. So, for example, this simplicity one is, as you can see, without any golden crown, without any euro sign, so we are going to use it. And it's called Simplicity. Canva is also offering you some other alternatives that are on the same page, like this one. So, for example, forgets, this kind of hope, keep moving forward, and you can just play around with them as you like it. But let's go with Simplicity and click on Customize Template. You will now get into the editor where you can easily edit everything about this mug or this mockup. So let's say this thing you want to have on your t-shirt. So the t-shirt obviously will be a black color, but we can change it according to the color of the t-shirt, just like that. And then we have this color, so we can use it as well, just like that, or make it like stand out or without any color. And but you see there should be something other color, not white. We have to make it like black, so you can see the differences in your work, in your mockup. You can easily change just the text. For example, we can go to like stay wild. This can be stay positive. Oops. Okay, this is maybe stay alive. Okay, that's good advice. Stay happy. Okay, stay happy, whatever. And then another one. So as you can see, you can toy around with this as you like. You can just change it just like that. You can make it longer, bigger. There's not a problem. And you can also add elements into this project. So for example, you can add like this. Okay, this is not a good option. This is not a good option since it's moving. We need something to be a little more like static, just like that. And you see that we created this mockup. So what we can do now, we can click on top right corner if we are happy what we created. Click on share, and we can either share it to people that we want to, I don't know, impress, or you can share it to the manufacturer that is going to manufacture our design, our mockups, and also click on download. If you click on download, there's a couple of options and that you can go with. For example, JPEG, PNG, PDF, PDF print, and also SVG file. This SVG file is only allowed for people who paid their premium and they are premium subscribers, but PNG is more than enough if you creating something of this 14 times 18 inches. So then we hit download and we are good to go. So let's say you want to create something smaller. What we have to do is go to top right corner where is our option of create a design, and then click on custom size. In here we can pick if you want to create our design in pixels, inches, millimeters, or centimeters. Let's go with inches. And once we're here, let's say we want to create a mug or something that we want to put on a mug. So it's time 4 times 4, but that's maybe too big. Let's go with 2 times 3 and create new design. And here it's the same story. Let's go with text, and we can go with happy birthday, and let's go with Matt. You can put it in the middle, we can make it minimalistic, and also it's the same stuff. Just click on share, click download, and then download in a format that you prefer. I strongly recommend you go in it with PNG, and then you can download it and then send it to, for example, Printify or Printful, which are really nice providers of t-shirts that can be labeled by yourself or created by yourself with those with mockups that you created in Canva. And that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.